Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to iWeed and thank you so much for clicking in, and the ones who are new here, welcome and consider subscribing. So a lot of you guys had DM'd me on Instagram and some of you had messaged me and commented on my YouTube videos as well regarding their hair fall issues. And actually मैंने already एक video बनाई हुई है इस topic पे, but this is an updated version of that video. So if you want to check out that video, मैं link description box में डाल दूँगी. उसमें मैंने basically do's and don'ts and everything वो सब चीज़ें बताई हैं, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. But this video is specifically for hair fall, and in this video I'll talk about that how you can make this wonderful oil for your hair, जिससे ना सिर्फ आपके हेयर फॉल में ठीक it's not just good for your hair fall, but it's also great for it will make your hair look shinier and smoother and बहुत silky बाल हो जाएंगे आपके. So keep on watching this video.
So the first ingredient is Indian gooseberry, जिसको हम हिंदी में आमला भी बोलते हैं. It is rich in vitamin C, जिसकी वजह से it helps in strengthening hair follicles. Next, the thing we are using is Kalonji seeds. You must have noticed इसको घर पे अचार में use करते हैं. But here it helps in promoting hair growth, prevents premature hair graying, and reverses hair damage and many more things. नेक्स्ट इज़ फेनुग्रीक सीड्स, जिसको हम हिंदी में मेथी के दाने बोलते हैं. हम इसको हेयर पैक्स में भी यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज इट मेक्स आवर हेयर शाइनी एंड सिल्की एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रमोट्स हेयर ग्रोथ. नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट इज़ कोकोनट ऑयल. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ आलमंड ऑयल या फिर ऑलिव ऑयल, बट आई एम यूजिंग कोकोनट ऑयल बिकॉज दिस इज़ व्हाट आई लव. Next step is grinding the ingredients. I'm grinding the seeds separately, but आप इसको साथ में भी grind कर सकते हो. After that, take some oil in the pan and heat it, and उसके बाद जो आपने chop किए हुए आमला है वो आपने इसमें डालना है, and add the powdered methi seeds, like मेथी का जो powder grind किया है, and then kalonji powder है वो आपने इसमें डालना है, and कुछ time के लिए just give it a boil for like 10 minutes. And then let it sit for some time, like जब तक ये ठंडा नहीं हो जाता. What I did was कि मैंने इसको पूरी रात रखा था, and then strain the oil. आपको सिर्फ ऑयल चाहिए, जो इसके लेफ्ट आउट है वो नहीं चाहिए. And this is how it will turn out to be, and you can store it in any container. आप इसको 2 times a week यूज़ कर सकते हो, and you can see the results within few weeks.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and one more thing, please comment down below. पहले इसको बनाओ, घर पे use करो, and let me know that how did it help you. And you can also DM me, you can comment down below, जैसे भी आपको you want to do, you can. But please इसको use करके मुझे reviews देना, because I love your reviews. I get your reviews on you guys. Some of you, what you do is you DM me on Instagram, and you talk about that how क्या क्या problems थी आपको, especially acne की कुछ videos हैं, and about that facial at home जो मैंने video बनाई थी उसके ऊपर बहुत reviews मिले थे मुझे, कि it helped you. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and it makes me very very happy when you actually give the reviews. So if you want to DM me, this is my Instagram handle. You can message me there. So yeah, and share this video, and thank you so much for watching.